What's up guys? So I just checked the mail today. I got a whole bunch of packages that I ordered online for my GTI. Got some stuff from Amazon, Diesel Geek, DSR Performance, and some eBay shit over there. All this stuff came in a kit on Amazon. It was put together by Evergreen Parts. It's a timing kit for the 1.8T. Most of the stuff that came in the kit is brand name, so it's not no generic eBay type of crap. So we're gonna go ahead and open this GMB box. Camshaft and crankshaft seals. Total of 4, 2 each. This right here, let's see what this is. Tensioner bearing. Here's the hydraulic tensioner itself. Warning, do not remove pin before installation. Talking about this pin right here. Got another box inside. Must be the idler pulley. Okay, so that's it for the GMB box. Okay, so this brand is Kabuki, and this is obviously the water pump. Now this water pump right here is a metal impeller. The original ones in the 1.8 come with a plastic impeller. A lot of people have been saying they prefer the plastic over the metal ones because if it does break, it can cause damage to the cooling system in your engine. And other people say that the metal one is even worse because if this breaks, it's going to cause even more damage than the plastic ones. But there have been reports that it doesn't matter which one you get, they both cause damage even with the plastic ones. So I just went with the metal one. It's more durable. I think it doesn't matter which one you get as long as you're frequently changing the parts out over time and not just letting it run on the OE the whole time you have the car. So yeah, I got the metal one right here. Let's put that aside. The last part of the kit is the timing belt. Now I don't know what brand this is specifically. I did look up this part number and what comes up is I believe it's Continental, which is another OE brand that manufactures parts as well. So, but I'm not going to be using this anyway. Going to the next thing I got in the mail. ESR Performance is a timing belt. This one right here is a Gates RPM T306 timing belt, 150 teeth. Sticker. Gates Racing Performance Muscle RPM. I got it separately on eBay. It was for about 70 bucks. Blue racing timing belt. Gonna go ahead and install this one with the rest of the timing kit that I got. And then as far as this timing belt right here, not sure what I'm going to do with it. If anyone wants it, you can email me. I don't know, I'll ship it, sell it to you for like 20 bucks or something if you really need one. Other than that, we can move on to the other stuff. So that timing kit that I got from Amazon, I got it for $149.95. I didn't pay for the shipping was free, so I guess they paid for that one. Small little package from Diesel Geek, San Antonio, Texas. Doesn't come with an invoice, but what this is a cable saver. It's a bunch of bushings that I need for my shifter tower. So these bushings right here replaces the OE bushings inside the shifter tower. Those ones are in the shifter tower are rubber, and these ones are hard plastic. And this costs, if I remember, it's about 60 bucks. Couldn't find them anywhere else besides Diesel Geek. I checked the dealership, and they do not sell the bushings separate. If you want the bushings, you would have to buy the whole shifter tower assembly, which is like what, another 100 bucks or something like that. They want to replace the whole thing instead of giving you the bushings that you actually need. So on to the eBay and Amazon shit. My glow shift gauge. This one specifically is my oil temperature gauge. I am waiting for my other glow shift to arrive. It's the boost gauge. I do have a boost gauge in my car, but I want to replace it with the glow shift because I got 2 pods on it on the side of the pillar. I just want to keep that theme going with the glow shift. Both of them light up to 2 different gauges. Now this one right here is from apparently Tuner Geek. Got it off of eBay for like 70 bucks. And what this is a downpipe with a cat delete. My car currently does not have a full exhaust system. My car right now is running a downpipe welded straight to a resonator. I'll explain that later on when I install this. I just got the downpipe and cat delete only instead of a full exhaust system because I'm going to be hooking this up to a used MagnaFlow that I got off of a 2003 Jetta. PCB motors. Got some gaskets, some hardware. So let's start with downpipe. 3-inch downpipe. Those welds. I mean, not the best quality, but you get what you pay for, right? I'll go ahead, go to the cat delete. This one directly bolts up to the downpipe, just like that. You got another O2 sensor port right here. Look at them welds though. And it goes from 3-inch and it goes over to a 1-inch. No, it's not a 1-inch, what the fuck? So 2.5-inch. So this part right here is where I'm going to be hooking up the MagnaFlow exhaust system in a few minutes. Other than that, you can go ahead and move on. So the car that I'm going to be doing the installation on is a 2000 Volkswagen GTI. Okay, so here's the downpipe that I removed from the car, and pretty much the previous owner said that the exhaust was all falling off. You can see the downpipe was all cracked, so he had to weld it. And then the rest of it is just the resonator welded straight to the downpipe, as you can see. Those awesome welds. And I couldn't help but notice that this resonator was off of a Honda. As you can see, the downpipe is installed, but it's hanging off a little bit. I still gotta install the rest of the exhaust.